Storytelling is the difference between content that gets views and content that actually makes money. But here's the problem. Most people aren't born good storytellers. And if English isn't your first language, it gets even harder. You try using ChatGPT or other AI tools and yeah, they help, but only if you already know what to ask. Otherwise, you just get generic, boring scripts. Hiring writers doesn't really fix it either. Most of them are doing the exact same thing, prompting AI and copy-pasting the output. So what do you do when you're on your own? When you don't have a team, you don't have time, and you still want to create content that actually works? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI the right way and a few simple techniques that turn average ideas into stories people actually watch. Once you get this part right, everything else gets easier. Now, for making AI work, one crucial thing we need is data. The more you give that baby the right food, the more it grows in a healthy and useful way. So you might ask, doesn't AI already have data? Why should we do the work? The problem isn't that AI lacks data. The problem is that there is so much data that you can't really extract useful things from it. So let's say I want to make videos about systems. A couple of channels I like to follow are How Money Works and How History Works. I really love the creator's storytelling tone. Then all we need to do is choose 3 to 5 videos that got good views in the past months, copy their transcripts, and give them to the AI. This part is easy. All you need to do is find your favorite channel with good storytelling and copy the transcripts. But this was the easy part. After you gather the transcripts and copy and paste them into Notepad, Word, or wherever you store them, we're going to give the AI the correct prompt. You can use Gemini or ChatGPT for this. Now, for this part, you don't actually need a complicated prompt. The prompt itself can be generated by AI based on the data you give it. Here's what I say to ChatGPT. I'm going to make YouTube videos. I'll give you transcript examples from videos I like. I like the tone, the humor, and the mystery in the storytelling. Based on these 3 examples, first analyze them, then generate a structured prompt preset that I can use in AI tools like Gemini or ChatGPT. Then you copy and paste your examples into ChatGPT and wait for the generated prompt. As you can see, it has a clear structure, things like topic, style, and output format. All you have to do is replace the topic, the duration, and your audience, then paste it into a new chat with the AI and see how accurately it generates the script for you. I've put both the prompt and the result in a link in the description so you can try it yourself. Let me know in the comments if this video worked for you.